solder it to the wrong thing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Just reusing the solder. You could technically scrape that solder off and redo it. Just don't solder the wrong damn thing when you do it, like me, and you'll be fine. See how it takes a moment for the solder to turn to liquid. Okay. Okay, those are solid. That's not pretty, but that's okay. Okay. There you go. Okay. Because the way this is going to work is the battery's going to be, the light's going to be here, and the panel's going to be here.
Mm-hmm.
This will clip to the panel while it charges the battery.
Okay.
Then when the battery's charged, you turn and put it on that, and it'll light the bulb up. So one end has to be. I'll leave that end for you to clip onto. And this end is going to have to be soldered to that. Okay. This is going to be a little more fun. That shows it going through. I think I'm going to wrap it and do it like a much better connection. Okay. Come on. Okay, here we go. Oh boy, this is not easy to do. Nope. Oh, maybe. Oh, that's ugly. Let's see if I can do a little better. It's even uglier. Wow. Huh. That'll work. It's just ugly. Sorry.
It's all right.
We're not getting style points today, huh?
As long as it works.
Yeah. Because we're having big fat fingers doesn't help anything. Okay. Wow, that is ugly. One of the worst solders I've ever done in my life. But I haven't done it in years, so I guess that's... All right, those are soldered, those are soldered.